Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Confirm the charger model and that the USB-C cable and adapter supply rated wattage. Once done, unplug and visually inspect the pad for damage. A bent coil or scorch mark signals failure. Make sure to clean both the pad and phone contact areas with 70% isopropyl. This removes oils that block charging. Then remove thick cases and place the charger on a flat non-metal surface. You're ready to move into a diagnostic power test. Now test power flow. You plug the charger into a reliable 18 to 25 watt USB-C PD adapter and use a known good cable. This isolates cable faults. Once powered, observe the LED. Steady means ready, blinking may mean misalignment or foreign object detection, and color changes often show temperature or fault. Next, place the phone centered on the coil and watch if charging initiates. If not, slightly shift alignment. Repeat with another phone to determine whether the charger or the phone is at fault. Finish by addressing the issue you found. If the cable or adapter failed the test, replace them. If the pad shows intermittent LED or heat, power cycle it and test again. Make sure your phone's software is updated and battery optimization settings aren't blocking wireless charging. If alignment is the problem, mark the optimal position. If problems persist, strange noises, burning smell, or no power despite good adapter, stop using it and pursue warranty repair or replace the coil module. Safety matters most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.